Hello friends, how are you all? So here I'm back with a new video and a new lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about commonly confused English words and ways to eradicate the confusion. So let's begin. First of all, have you ever wondered why certain words in English seem to spark confusion? Let us look at some of the possible reasons for the same. Words that sound similar, also known as homophones, may be confused especially if their pronunciation is close. Words with similar spellings may lead to confusion, particularly if there's only a slight difference in spelling. Unfamiliarity with a word or its correct usage can lead to confusion, especially for learners of the language. Similar sounding words that are synonyms or antonyms might be confused due to the subtle nuances in meaning. Absence of context or unclear context can make it challenging to choose the correct word. So, the first most commonly confused pair of words is principle and principle. The pronunciation of both words is the same. Principal is used to refer to a person who has controlling authority, especially in an organization or school. It can also denote the sum of money lent or invested, on which interest is paid. On the other hand, principle refers to a fundamental truth, law, doctrine, or motivating force. It represents a general or fundamental proposition that serves as a foundation for a system of belief or behavior. For example, the school principal greeted the students in the morning. She believed in the principles of honesty and integrity. The next confused pair of words is effect and effect. Effect refers to a change that occurred as a result of a particular action, event, or situation. Whereas, effect is used when describing the action of influencing or causing a change. For example, the new law had a positive effect on the community. The weather can affect your mood. Moving on, our next pair of words is accept and accept. The two words resemble the same pronunciation. Accept means to receive willingly, agree to, or take something that is offered. While accept refers to excluding or not including a particular thing or condition. For example, she accepted the gift graciously. Everyone is invited to the party except John. She decided to accept the job offer. I like all fruits except bananas. Loose and loose. Loose means something which is not tight or free from confinement or restraint. And loose describes the action of not winning or retaining something. For example, her dress was loose and comfortable. Be careful not to lose your keys. The dog had a loose collar. Never lose focus on your studies. The next confused pair of words is then and than. Then refers to a specific time in the past or future, or as a consequence. Than is used to introduce the second element in a comparison. For example, she finished her homework and then went to bed. She is taller than her brother. This book is more interesting than the one I read last week. Week and week. Week refers to a specific duration of time, that is, a period of 7 days. While weak is an adjective which is used to represent someone or something lacking in strength. For example, I have a busy week ahead with meetings every day. After being sick, she felt too weak to go to work. Now, I have got a worksheet for you that will help reinforce what we've covered in today's video. Here are the answers. Hope you liked today's session and learned something informative. Do not forget to tell me in the comments, how much did you score in the quiz?